Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now this is the next problem in our previous year question series for JEE Main and JEE Advanced. It's an interesting problem on the topic of permutations and combinations. It says the number of 4-digit integers in the closed interval 2022 to 4482 found by using the digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7 is. Now students, whenever you come across such kind of questions where you have been given a particular interval of numbers and you have to use some specified digits only, then you should always solve such kind of questions by making different cases or different categories. Now, since we have been given this particular interval, so I can clearly say that the first category of numbers will be those numbers which will have their first digit as 2, right? Since we have to form 4-digit numbers, so I have fixed the first digit as 2. Now in this particular category, I will be making few subcategories. Now this is the first subcategory that I am going to discuss. I have fixed the first digit as 2 and the second digit I am taking as 0, right? Third digit again I am fixing as 2. Now it's very much obvious that this last fourth digit can be filled by either 2, 3, 4, 6 or 7. I cannot put 0 over here because if I put 0 over here, it will become 2020 and 2020 does not fall in the given interval. Fine. So that means we have 5 such numbers. Fine. Now we move to the second subcategory. Again, the first digit will be filled by 2, but again, I'm taking the second digit as 0. But this time, the third digit is not going to be 2. This time, the third digit will be either 3 or 4 or 6 or 7. Fine. So that means this particular box can be filled in 4 ways. And this particular last digit can be filled in 6 ways. I can place any number, any digit over here. I can fill it with 0, 2, 3, 4, 6 or 7. That's my choice. Now by using fundamental principle of counting, we'll be getting how many such numbers? There will be 24 such numbers. Fine. Now we move to the third subcategory. Again, I am fixing the first digit as 2. But this time, the second digit is not going to be 0. It can be either digit among 2, 3, 4, 6 or 7. Fine. So that means this particular digit can be filled in 5 ways. And the third digit is going to be any number among the given digits or any digit among the given digits. Why I'm saying so? Because now I can fill it with 0 as well. Fine. So that means this can be filled in 6 ways, and similarly the last digit will also be filled in 6 ways. So that means by using fundamental principle of counting, I will be getting 36 into 5 or 180 such numbers. Fine, right? So that means in this particular category, I am going to have now 180 plus 29. So this becomes 209 such numbers, right? Now we move to the second category. And the second category is of those numbers which will have their first digit starting with 3. Fine. Now it's a simple category. Why? Because I need not worry what I have to put in the second place or third place or fourth place. Why? Because the second place can be filled by any given digit. It can be 0, it can be 2, 3, 4, 6 or 7. Similarly, the third place and similarly the fourth place. So that means I will be having 216 such numbers. Fine. Now we move to the last category where the first digit is going to be 4. Now students, this is the last category of numbers. It is that category in which the first digit will be 4. Now in this particular category, the second digit can either be filled by 0, by 2, by 3 or at most by 4. Why I'm saying at most 4? Because the upper limit of the given interval has been given to us as 4482. So that means the second digit cannot exceed 4. And similarly, the third digit cannot exceed 8. And all the digits given to us 0, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, they satisfy this criteria. So that means this particular third digit can be filled by any among them. That means there are 6 possibilities. Now since I have fixed the third digit smaller than 8, then obviously there is no problem in using any of these digits in the fourth place as well. That means now we have 6 into 6 into 4 or 36 into 4 or 144 such numbers. I have used fundamental principle of counting. Now let's count all of them. We'll be having 144 plus 216 plus 209. So this comes out to be 569. So this is the correct answer. Now students, next problem I will be posting tomorrow. Keep watching my videos and please share these videos among your friends as well. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, I will suggest you people to subscribe it for many more such videos. Thanks.